So you're getting closer to your goal, step by step, and then you realize, oh man, you missed some stats. Maybe your goal wasn't the steps, but instead you really wanted to get those 9 hours of 250 steps per hour. Yeah, I know it's silly, but hey. So, step 1, open the Fitbit app, synchronize, click on 8 of 9 hours, figure out which hour you missed. Okay, 12 o'clock hour. Now you go back to the home screen, click on the plus, track exercise, go to log, walk, scroll back down to 12 o'clock, and let's say it's near the top of the hour, and we'll say you're going for 5 minutes, 0.2 miles should do it, add, synchronizes, adds one of your weekly exercises, and boom, there you go, you've met your goal. And that's how you quickly fix something. Now, those steps that added don't count towards anything. They count towards your daily allowance. So let's say you lost your Fitbit at home, but you were keeping track of your steps on something else. Yeah, you can do stuff like that. But it's not going to count towards badges, and it's not going to bump you up on the community friend list. So those stats have remained the same. But at least now I got my 9 of 9, and I got the cool graphic. Boom, 9 of 9 hours. And there you go.